Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Adding a GIF to your Alight Motion project is a quick way to add flair to your edits. This process allows you to bring animated elements into your videos with ease. First, open the Alight Motion app on your mobile device. Start a new project by tapping the plus icon. Choose your desired frame rate and resolution. Once you are in the editor, tap the plus button in the corner again. Select the media option to see your gallery. Find the GIF you want to use and tap it to import. The GIF will now appear on your timeline as a new layer. You can drag it to change its position on the screen. Use the Move and Transform tools to resize it or rotate it. If the GIF is too short, you can duplicate the layer. Line up the copies back to back so the animation loops smoothly. You can also adjust the speed of the GIF using the clock icon. If your GIF has a solid background, use the blending modes. Selecting screen will often remove black backgrounds instantly. You can also apply effects like color correction or motion blur to match your video style. Keep in mind that large GIF files might slow down the app. If this happens, try to trim the length of the layer. When everything looks good, play the preview to check the timing. Your GIF is now a part of your professional edit. This method works for any animated image file you have saved on your device. You can now export your final project directly to your camera roll.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.